Hey, it's your narrator here, diving deep into the heart of Zimbabwe's political battleground. Let's unfold the layers of controversy and ambition that mark Zimbabwe's recent electoral saga. Zimbabwe, a nation with a rich history and vibrant culture, found itself under the global spotlight again. This time, the focus was on its elections. President Emmerson Mnangagwa hailed the elections as a testament to Zimbabwe's mature democracy, celebrating his victory amid pomp and ceremony. But not everyone shared his jubilation. Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa and his supporters cried foul, alleging that the elections were marred by fraud and voter intimidation. They accused Mnangagwa of clinging to power through deceit, pointing to a cycle of disputed elections that they claim suffocates the very essence of democracy. In his speech at the inauguration, Mnangagwa spoke of victory over Western critics and a testament to unity and progress. However, on the streets and in the homes of many Zimbabweans, the story felt starkly different. Chamisa's fierce rebuttal to Mnangagwa's claims of legitimacy painted a picture of a country at a crossroads, a nation grappling with its identity and its future. "I am not the last Zimbabwean. I am not the only Zimbabwean," Chamisa's words echoed, reminding everyone that in a true democracy, every voice matters, every vote counts. His message? That the fight for a fair and transparent governance system in Zimbabwe is far from over. As observers from around the world weighed in, the narrative of Zimbabwe's election became not just about who won or lost, but about what those results mean for the everyday Zimbabwean. It's about the struggle between maintaining power and fostering true democratic practices. So, as Mnangagwa pledges to build a brighter future, and Chamisa vows to challenge the status quo, Zimbabwe remains a focal point of discussion for those who cherish democratic integrity worldwide. The question now lingers: can Zimbabwe navigate these turbulent waters to emerge as a beacon of true democracy, or will it remain ensnared in the throes of political strife? Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you're intrigued by the complexities of global politics and the persistent fight for democracy, stick around for more insightful dives into political showdowns around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.